Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can make your design look better in Canva when you align elements. This can be very easy when you understand when the lines appear. I will also show you how you can use this with using a ruler. When you would like to learn more about editing photos, subscribe to my channel to see my next recent updates. But for now, let's continue with this subject. Let's start with the basics. If you have a single element you want to align, you can move it around and you see that these lines appear, and that means that it is in the middle, so it is vertical and horizontal. And when you go to position up above at the right here, you can align the page at the top, in the middle, at the bottom, at the left, in the center and at the right. But what if you have a lot more elements in your templates? Let me show you some tips you can use to make it a lot more easy. When you have a lot going on in your template, like this calendar, it can be a bit confusing. So let's show you some struggles you can run up to and the solution for it. There is an option that you can use a ruler, and then it will show you some guidelines. It kind of works the same as these lines you see here. When I move this picture around, it aligns with all the elements. But the ruler can be useful in other cases. You can find it here up above at the left at File and then Show Rulers and Guides. And then you see here the measurements of your ruler. And when I click at it and hold it and drag it to the template, you see it turns purple when it aligns with the elements. But when you're just starting a template and want to create it all by yourself, you can adjust it to how you like it. You see, when I use a guide on this side and align it with the white boxes, you see it doesn't turn purple. That's because all these white boxes are one group together, so the guide aligns with that group. If I ungroup it right here, I can align my elements and ruler guidelines with the specific boxes. Let me show you another struggle. So now you see that this box is in the middle between this line on the left and this line on the right. But I'll show you now that it doesn't do that when you try it yourself. You see, this is not the middle. To do this, you can put another box behind this box so it aligns with that box behind. So I'll duplicate this box right here. Then I'll put this on the side and I'll make it a little bit bigger so it aligns with the lines, and I'll make it another color so you can see it more clearly. And I'll put this box again on the square, and when I drag it around, you see it is now precisely in the middle. So now I could erase this box. But if you think this looks a bit funny and want the same space you have on this side, also on the other side, you can adjust this box with the same size of this space right here. Like this, and then just simply put it on this side, and then you'll drag this box precisely next to that other box and you can erase this box. You could also use a guideline for this, because you see here at the top that it gives a number where your guideline is, but then you will have to do some maths. And now we want to have the picture in the middle of this box. You see here on this side there is another element that has the same size of the box, the same length. So the picture is precisely in the middle on this side if the line reaches the end of the last box that has the same length. And you see on this side there isn't a box that has the same length as the blue box behind it. So it only reaches the end of the box behind the picture. And there you have some tips while editing. So I hope these tips were useful for you. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments and I will get back to you. I hope you enjoy making your own DIY photo.